Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. To prepare this lemon citrus soap, I'm using 4 fresh organic lemon. Make sure they are thoroughly washed. Use a knife and remove the outer skin of the lemon. Avoid taking the white part. Lemon peels are a great exfoliator as they help to cleanse the skin. The use of lemon peel can also help to easily get rid of dead skin cells and will give you a softened and smooth skin texture. After removing the peel, put into a blender. Add 3 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin to it. Also add 3 teaspoons of distilled water. Please use distilled water, not a tap water. Blend about 5 to 10 minutes. After blending them, this is how it looks like after blending. I filter my orange peel extract using a cheesecloth. Squeeze out the extract. I will prepare a facial scrub with this. Keep the lemon peel extract aside and move on the next soap. Step. Take 200 grams of mild and pure base soap. Cut into the cubes. Put the cubes into a heat-resistant cup and melt using the double boil method. When it has melted, remove the cup from the water bath. While the melted soap is still hot, and add 3 teaspoons of lemon peel extract to it. Mix. I also will add 1 more tablespoon of the extract lemon. Now you mix. It smells so fresh. There is no need for essential oil or any perfumes or oil. After mixing, pour into your soap molds. Keep the molds in the fridge for about an hour for the soup to harden. Or keep at room temperature for a day. When the soap has hardened, remove the fridge and from the soap molds. This soap will lighten dark spots, treat acne, treat hyperpigmentation, and it also has a great exfoliator. It is recommended to wash your face with this lemon soap in the morning and in the evening also. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like, share, comment and subscribe. Again, thank you for watching.